Imagine supercharging the growth of your collision repair team with the Collision Career Institute. Established in 2015, CCI is not a school, it's a game changer in automotive collision repair apprenticeships. Approved by the California Division of Apprenticeship Standards and registered with the U.S. Department of Labor, CCI has evolved into a national program setting the standard for skills transfer in live production repair centers across the country. Created by experts in the collision repair and education fields, CCI provides a defined path for new entrants to succeed and be productive. Think body technicians, painters, and estimators. We start with tailored assessments, matching applicants' work style and skills to ensure they're a perfect fit for these critical roles and a good match with their trainer. Our apprentices earn while they learn, acquiring not only the skills of the trade but also the ability to thrive in fast-paced, high-pressure live production repair facilities. With our unique online curriculum, instructor guides, and detailed workbooks, shop owners have the tools to achieve industry-leading success rates, placing candidates in jobs and launching successful careers. How does CCI work in the shop? We provide a proven process to train collision repair skills to entry-level technicians. From dent repair to paint preparation and complete blueprinting of repairs, our program focuses on the most crucial skills for success in a collision repair center. Our apprentices don't just learn, they produce more than they cost in just 90 days. We share motivating pay plans and create solid agreements to ensure everyone's fully committed. With CCI's Canvas app, learning is real-time, no need to leave the shop. But here's the game changer. We're not just trainers, we're partners in your success. Our complete program tools and private branding options for larger organizations set the stage for success. CCI manages the skills transfer from trainers to their apprentices, taking entry-level candidates to B-level body techs in a year and a half. For painters, similar growth from entry-level to in-charge painters in small to medium-sized shops, second painter level in larger shops. Entry-level estimators go from zero experience to lead estimators carrying a properly executed book of business for estimators with over 6 to 8 years experience. Whether you're a seasoned industry leader or a body shop owner, CCI is the key to transforming your team's capabilities and achieving unparalleled success in the collision repair industry. Ready to take your team to the next level? Explore the possibilities with Collision Career Institute.